Hey, thanks for tuning in. Hot Off the Wheels here. Hope you're doing well, and thanks for tuning into this Free It Friday. Did a little Hot Wheel hunting tonight after work, and I came up with absolutely nothing. Walmart's, even though a lot of them are dropping the blue Easter bins and the spring sets and things like that, I haven't found much of anything else going on. I know some people have online been posting that some of the Walmarts are dropping like G case in those, but I've not seen those myself. I've only seen E-case, and it's not as impressive as the red Christmas bins, you know. So there's not a lot of Hot Wheels to be found, at least not in the bins that I've seen. It's usually only one or two bins, and like I said, it's maybe like one or two cases. So you know, you kind of decide for yourself if you think it's worth hitting up. I've already got all the E-case I pretty much need or want, with the exception of I wouldn't mind having another super, of course, but you know, outside of that, I'm not really looking for anything in the E-case, other than like maybe one or two things that, you know, I just want extras of. But so yeah, I found two little 3-pack sets, Cracker Barrel. I don't generally go to Cracker Barrel very often. If I get, you know, a whim, or, you know, for some reason I'm eating there, then definitely I might check it out. But otherwise, I don't go there very often unless I'm not having any luck like I was tonight. So we decided to check it out after Walmart, which, you know, it was in the same parking lot basically. So went over there, and lo and behold, they had some cool 3-packs. Sometimes they have like super fast from Matchbox. You know, everything's generally a couple of years old. Nothing necessarily new or relevant. Things they have like quirky things like maybe the world's smallest Hot Wheel, stuff like that. So but yeah, these were pretty nice, I thought, for a little 3-pack. I mean, you got a little fancy car up top, but even that looks kind of cool in my opinion. And of course, you've got, I guess that's maybe a Camaro, and then I don't know if that's a Nova on the bottom. I guess we'll find out if I open it. Or do you think I should open this one? I know you're not really here to, you're not live, so obviously I can't quite get your input. That one looks pretty nice as well. I'm not really sure what kind of cars those are, to be honest. They don't say on the back. Personal, so we're gonna open that one, and we're gonna set it free. And the pack's a little bit, you know, banged up, seen its better days, so let's crack it open and see what we can find out. That wasn't too hard, actually. All right, let's slide it out. Dang, that's pretty nice right there. We'll start with the, I don't know if it almost looks like the, I don't know, I think it's called a Gazette or something. I can't remember what this one, let's see if this one has a name. Am I holding it upside down? I think I always am. Yeah, this one is, I can't tell what the name of it is there. I'll let you look at it, see if you can find the name. Pretty decent little casting there. I mean, definitely colorful. Not too bad. I'd like to see how it flies down some Hot Wheel tracks. If I ever get set up on my Hot Wheel tracks, then I'll definitely have to test it out. But let's keep on going. I'll throw them on the turntable later so we can get a little bit better shots of them. This one's definitely the one I've been looking for. Check that out. Pretty nice. Oh yeah. And yeah, let's see here. Yeah, it's a 2012 Camaro. Trying to see. Yep. Pretty nice. So I guess that was the first time they debuted in this Camaro, was I guess maybe 2012. But definitely really, really nice. We'll throw them on the turntable here shortly. And I want to say this one's like probably a Nova 2 or something like that. Or that's awesome. Love that one as well. I don't know, just got like a really nice, yeah, really nice detail. No, I'm sorry. This is actually a Chevelle. Looks like it's a 64 Chevelle. I'll let you read it for yourself there. I don't know how well the lighting, there we go. The lighting might be better right in there. So it looks like a little Chevelle, but definitely nice. At first I was thinking it was a Nova, but maybe it was a little too long for a Nova. But definitely nice. So we'll throw them on the turntable, and just wanted to set them free. I thought that was pretty cool. I came across, you know, these 3-packs at Cracker Barrel. So definitely, you know, if you have a Cracker Barrel near you, I'm sure just about all the states probably do, if I had to guess. But then again, it could just be a southern thing. But definitely check them out and see what they have. It's a little on the pricey side for a 3-pack. They're asking, I think, at the high end of $4, close to $5 for a 3-pack. So a little pricey, but you know, for some older Hot Wheels, you know, you be the judge if it's worth it. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Definitely let me know your thoughts. And like I said, on the rest of the video is just going to be the cars themselves, just spinning around. So enjoy it. Let me know your thoughts on this little 3-pack. And I will see you all probably, I'll probably make a video Sunday. So definitely stay tuned. Definitely going to try to make a video Sunday. I'm going to probably go out of town tomorrow. At least, you know, a good hour and a half out of town, just to see what's dropping, you know, on the outskirts of my state, in my area. Locally, nothing is really happening. Walmart's for, like I said, dropping the blue Easter bands, and Walmart's are finally starting to get some M2s in stock. However, pretty much kind of caught up with the latest releases.